This is the front wheel, and you want to be sure when you change into the spare tire you have some distance between the wheel and the brakes. This is the rear wheel, and the same thing applies. You want some distance between your wheel and the brake system. And in the first tests I did, the wheel was touching the brake system, so now I'm going to try a solution. So the first thing to change the tire, you have to go to the car, and because this is a car with air suspension, you have to go to suspension and you have to start the car. So foot on the brakes, you have to put in I, very high. Okay, auto raise off, and then have to jack the car so that the car does not auto level. Jack mode is on, that means the car will not try to auto level, and you can change the tire. So the suspension is now in very high, and now you can apply the jack and change the tire. This is my setup. A tire from a BMW X3, and let's see if the solution goes well. These are the tools I'm going to use. This is the dyno to apply 175 Newton meter when doing the final application, and these are what I bought, and I'm going to use these ones to space the wheel from the brake system, because the first time I tried it was touching, it was not moving. So let's see what happens. Make sure the jack applies to the jack pad in the car. You have to really be careful about that. So be sure the wheel is free, and now you can take it out. Now I can take the wheel out. Okay, these are Teslas, and these are the ones I bought for the spare wheel. So the Tesla tire is out, and I'm going to show you a comparison between the two tires. This is the Tesla wheel, and this is the BMW Tesla tire. So there's quite a difference between the two, as you can clearly see from one to the other. Now I'm going to apply the spacers so that I can have some distance because without these the BMW wheel touches the brakes pad. And let's see if this is enough or if I have to put another one. This is the interior of the BMW wheel, and you can clearly see where, when I did the first tests, when the wheel touched the brake pad, it was there exactly. Now we will measure if one spacer per pin is enough. As we can see, I didn't even tighten the bolts, and you can already see that it's not enough, and we have to put some more distance between the wheel and the brake pad. So we have to put more space, and if this is not enough, I don't know what else to do, because I think this is the maximum I can do. Let's see now. Now we can clearly see that there is enough space, okay, and the wheel turns, not touching. That's good, but the bad part is that the part to bolt is too short, and I'm not comfortable with that. Okay, so if I put it here, it bolts, it's okay, but I'm not comfortable with that because it takes too much of the bolt to have a good grip. Even if it's for emergency, I'm going to try to find another solution and not use this BMW X3 wheel. I have to arrange another solution to get the distance correct and avoid all that distance there that I lose for tighten the bolts. Okay, so for now this is the way it would look, and I don't like it. I'm going to try to find another solution, which means another wheel. That's all for now. Here you can clearly see the amount of the bolt used with the normal wheel, and if I put the spacers, in reality I would get four only, four of these to bolt, and this means this solution is not safe enough for me, at least, and I'm going to find another wheel to apply for the Tesla spare tire. This is not a very good solution, so it was a nice try, but nevertheless with this wheel I don't feel safe. That's it. This is the original Tesla wheel, and that shows that there is a huge part of the bolt used to bolt, and my spare wheel will have to have the same amount of bolt to be tightened to the structure of the car. Back into place as it should be, and I have to find another better solution. That's it.